little Roobs, let's watch the deer together today. We'll stay very still and quiet. Here's a deer with antlers, grazing slowly with its head low. Only some deer grow antlers, they change as the seasons pass. One deer eats, the other listens to the forest. The deer sees us, just for a moment, then it turns back to the trees. These deer have little white spots, each one a soft pattern from nature. Another deer with antlers, quiet, careful, calm, step by step, bite by bite. You were so still, just like the deer. Come back anytime, little one. I'll be here.